Imagine waking up to a world where your daily commute is silent, your morning news is written by a machine, and your doctor's diagnosis is delivered by an algorithm. This isn't a scene from a Hollywood sci-fi movie. This is 2026. The speed of AI evolution has bypassed every expert prediction. What we thought would take decades has happened in months. Today, we aren't just talking about robots in factories, we are talking about the cognitive revolution. For the first time in history, human intelligence has a digital competitor. In this deep dive documentary by Brainy AI, we are going beyond the headlines. We are examining the data, the companies, and the specific roles that are disappearing. If you've ever wondered, is my paycheck at risk? The answer is inside this list. Let's break down the 10 industries being fundamentally replaced by AI right now. Translation and global linguistics. For centuries, language was the ultimate barrier. Today, that barrier is digital dust. Real-time neural translation has reached a point where nuance, slang, and cultural context are understood by artificial intelligence better than most bilingual humans. Companies that used to hire hundreds of translators for global product launches now use a single AI auditor. From live diplomacy to technical manuals, the human translator is becoming a luxury, not a necessity. Logistics, shipping, and warehousing. If you look at a modern shipping port today, you'll notice something haunting. There are almost no people. AI-driven cranes move containers with mathematical precision. In warehouses, autonomous mobile robots or AMRs coordinate with each other to pick, pack, and sort millions of items 24/7 without a single coffee break. The blue-collar backbone of the world is now made of silicon and steel. Entry-level graphic design and stock photography. Remember when you had to hire a designer for a simple logo or buy expensive stock photos? Those days are gone. With the rise of advanced generative models, anyone can create high-fidelity, 8K visuals in seconds. Commercial photography for ads, basic web UI design, and social media branding have been swallowed by AI tools. Professional designers are now forced to become creative directors of AI, or they simply lose their jobs. Retail, cashiers, and inventory management. The retail industry is undergoing a silent massacre. Self-checkout was just the beginning. Now, computer vision tracks every item you pick up, automatically billing your digital wallet as you walk out. But it's not just the cashiers. AI now predicts what customers will buy weeks in advance, automating the entire supply chain management and leaving traditional retail planners out of the loop. Legal support and paralegals. The legal world was once thought to be safe because it requires deep logic. But AI is built on logic. Document discovery, the process of scanning thousands of pages for evidence, used to take months of billable hours for paralegals. Now, specialized AI models do it in minutes, identifying patterns and legal precedents with a success rate that humans can't match. The junior lawyer's career path has been cut off at the roots. Administrative support and data entry. This is perhaps the largest sector being hit. From scheduling complex meetings across time zones to managing massive databases, AI agents are now the ultimate executive assistants. They don't forget, they don't make typos, and they cost a fraction of a human's salary. The traditional office job is being condensed into a single AI dashboard. Finance, accounting, and tax preparation. Numbers are the native language of AI. 2026 has seen a massive shift in how money is managed. Bookkeeping, tax filing, and even complex financial auditing are now automated. AI doesn't just record transactions, it spots fraud and predicts market crashes before they happen. For many accountants, the job has shifted from calculating to explaining what the AI has already found. Content creation and journalism. You might be surprised, but a significant portion of the news you read online today is generated by AI. Financial reports, sports summaries, and SEO-driven blogs are all produced by machines. While opinion and investigative journalism still need humans, the reporting of facts has been taken over. High-volume content factories have replaced writers with prompt engineers. Heavy manufacturing and assembly. The Smart Factory 2.0 is fully autonomous. We aren't just talking about car assembly lines anymore. From electronics to clothing, AI-driven robotics can now handle delicate tasks like sewing and micro-soldering. These factories operate in the dark, without heating or cooling, because the machines don't need it. Human labor in manufacturing is rapidly becoming a cost that companies are no longer willing to pay. The last most important is customer service and call centers. This is the industry that has been completely transformed. Gone are the days of robotic-sounding voices. Today's AI customer agents have perfect accents, emotional intelligence, and instant access to every piece of company data. They can handle millions of calls simultaneously, solve problems in any language, and never lose their patience. For the millions of people employed in global call centers, the shift has been devastatingly fast. So, is it over for us? History tells us that every revolution destroys old jobs to create new ones. The secret to surviving 2026 is adaptability. Don't compete with AI in things it's better at, like memory, speed, and calculation. Instead, focus on high-level strategy, human empathy, and complex problem-solving. The people who win this era are the ones who use AI as a force multiplier. They aren't afraid of the tool, they are the masters of the tool. If you want to know which skills you should learn right now to stay ahead, make sure to check out our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. This is Brainy AI, keeping you smart in the age of machines. What do you think? Is your job safe? Let us know in the comments below.